Do you know what your homeowner's insurance actually covers? It's surprising how many folks out there don't fully grasp the ins and outs of their policy. Homeowners insurance, a safety net for many, can sometimes feel like a complex maze. But fear not. This video is set to shine a light on those murky corners, to help you understand exactly what you're protected against. So, buckle up and get ready for an enlightening journey through your homeowner's insurance policy. Stay tuned as we delve into the different components of homeowners insurance. Homeowners insurance, in its simplest form, is a package policy. But what does package policy mean? Picture a bundle of gifts. Each gift represents a different type of coverage, all wrapped up together in one policy. Now let's get to know these gifts. The first one is the structure of your home. This coverage takes care of repair or rebuild costs if your house is damaged or destroyed by disasters like fire, hurricane, or other insured disasters. It's like having a safety net for your humble abode. Next up is the protection for your personal belongings. Your furniture, clothes, appliances, and other personal items are covered if they are stolen or destroyed by disasters. It's like having a guardian angel for your cherished possessions. Moving on, we have liability protection. This is your shield if someone else gets hurt on your property, or if you, or a family member, cause damage to others' properties. It also provides a defense if a lawsuit is brought against you. It's your knight in shining armor ready to protect you. Last but not least, there's coverage for additional living expenses. Imagine your house is damaged and you can't live there during repairs. This coverage pays for your living costs outside your home. It's like having a home away from home. These are the fundamental components. But what exactly do they cover? Let's start with the structure of your home. This is the cornerstone of homeowners insurance, covering the physical building and structures on your property, such as your garage or shed. Now, it's important to understand that this coverage is for damage caused by specific perils outlined in your policy. These typically include natural disasters like hurricanes, hail, lightning, and wildfires. It also covers damage from non-weather-related issues like vandalism or fires. However, damage caused by poor maintenance or normal wear and tear is generally not covered. Next up is personal belongings. This part of your policy covers the items inside your home, from your furniture and appliances to your personal items like clothing and electronics. If these items are stolen or damaged by a covered peril, your policy can help replace them. The key here is to have an accurate inventory of your belongings and their value to ensure you're adequately covered. Then, we have liability protection. This is a less tangible but incredibly important component of homeowners insurance. If someone is injured on your property or you cause damage to someone else's property, this coverage can protect you from potential legal expenses. It's a safety net that can provide peace of mind in case of unforeseen incidents. Finally, there's additional living expenses coverage, also known as loss of use. This comes into play if your home becomes uninhabitable due to a covered peril. So if a fire or storm makes your home unlivable, this coverage can help with costs like hotel bills, restaurant meals, and other expenses you wouldn't normally have while your home is being repaired or rebuilt. In essence, these components of your homeowner's insurance policy work together to provide a safety net for your home, your belongings, and your financial well-being. They're designed to help you recover from unexpected events that could otherwise leave you in a tight spot. But remember, not everything is covered under these components. It's crucial to read your policy, understand the exclusions, and consult with your insurance agent to ensure you have the protection you need. You might be surprised to learn what typically isn't covered by homeowners insurance. It's a common misconception that everything under your roof is automatically protected, but that's not always the case. Let's dive into some of the things your policy might not cover. First off, let's talk about natural disasters. While your insurance policy may cover damage from windstorms, hail, or lightning, some natural disasters are usually not covered. These include floods and earthquakes. If you live in an area prone to these types of events, you might need to purchase additional coverage. So if you're a homeowner in a flood-prone area or on a fault line, it's wise to look into separate flood or earthquake insurance. Next, let's consider normal wear and tear. Your homeowner's insurance is there to protect you from sudden and accidental damage, not issues that arise from neglect or prolonged use. So if your roof starts to leak because it's 20 years old and you've never replaced a shingle, your insurance probably won't cover the repairs. The same goes for your aging plumbing or electrical systems. Regular maintenance is key to preventing these types of issues. Another common exclusion is the damage caused by pests. If termites have turned your wooden beams into their personal buffet, or rodents have chewed through your wiring, you're likely on your own when it comes to the repair costs. pest control is generally considered a part of routine home maintenance. There are other exclusions too, like mold, sewer backups, or damage from war or nuclear hazard. Some policies may not even cover certain high-value items in your home, like jewelry or fine art, unless you add extra coverage. The bottom line here is that it's crucial to read your policy thoroughly and understand its terms. Don't assume you're covered for every possible scenario. Ask questions, clarify doubts, and consider additional coverage if necessary. Remember, your homeowner's insurance is there to help you recover from significant unexpected losses, but it isn't a catch-all solution to every problem that might pop up in your home. So while your homeowner's insurance covers a lot, it doesn't cover everything. We've covered quite a bit about homeowners insurance today. From the introduction, we've walked through the basics, unpacked the components, and highlighted what's often not included in a standard policy. Remember, the four main components of homeowners insurance are the dwelling, personal property, liability, and additional living expenses. They typically cover your home structure, personal belongings, legal responsibility for any injuries or property damage you or your family cause to others, and the costs of living away from home if it becomes uninhabitable due to a covered disaster. However, it's just as important to note what's often not covered, such as damage from floods, earthquakes, or routine wear and tear. These require additional policies or endorsements. So as we've learned, homeowners insurance is not a one-size-fits-all deal. It's complex, but crucial in protecting your home and peace of mind. Remember, understanding your homeowner's insurance is crucial to protecting your home and your peace of mind. Don't hesitate to ask questions and make sure you're fully covered.